What's up, guys? Cave Troll here, sitting in the car wash doing the good husbandly thing, washing my wife's car. So first I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I hit 100 subs, so that's one hell of a milestone for me, at least. So I do want to say, have a big thank you, and can't wait to hit another milestone. Hell, even YouTube sent me an email saying congratulations on the 100 subs, which was kind of funny for them to send the email, considering they just made it to where you had to have at least 1,000 subs just to get monetized. But yeah, that's whatever. We do it for the fun of it, or at least I do. It looks like a pretty rainbow on my car right now. Somebody killed a unicorn and its blood is going all over my windshield. But yeah, guys, so the second thing is of course about the whole YouTube changing the monetization rules. And pretty loud. And I don't know, I do it for the fun of it. I've never made any money off of this, and probably will never make any money. Going somewhere? But I urge people, a lot of the smaller channels, I know some of y'all are pissed, some of y'all see it as another ladder to hit, but I urge the ones that are, pissed off about the whole situation to, just keep at it, man. Do it for, remember back why you started. I mean, if you started, to have fun with it, give you something to do while you're on the bike, or like me, it gives you an excuse to talk to yourself while you're riding, then, keep up with it. Don't let, them making the changes change anything about your channel or about you yourself. I mean, there's always going to be changes, considering it's a free platform. We pay nothing to put our videos up on there, so it's not costing us a dime. I mean, besides the camera equipment and stuff we have. But I mean, I just urge everybody to, just take it what it is and still enjoy it. Remember that, I mean, at least for me and for a lot of other people, I mean, we do it, for the fun of it, and we also, have or keep doing it because of the relationships that we've made with everybody out there. The camaraderie between, the whole motorcycle community and, with all the other motovloggers. Yay, it's finished. But yeah, guys, I'll let you get going. Just wanted to say, crap, which way do I go? Just wanted to say thank you for the 100 subs. And, we'll be trying to hit another, whatever the next milestone is. I don't know, 150, 200, whatever it is. But yeah, guys, if you like what you see in here, like, share, subscribe, comment. Cave Troll out. Peace.